Hold on, let me get through this. They always tell me to take smaller bites. I'm like, how can I when the food is so good? I'm taking you today to the coast of Italy for a fish stew. And the fish stew is called cacciucco. Look how gorgeous this is. It's nice, fresh, and really comes together with whatever the fishermen find in the morning in the Mediterranean Sea and making this beautiful, lush fish soup. Now, to go with our cacciucco today, we have a classic fett'unta, the original garlic bread of Italy. Click the subscribe button below. Let me get to the fishmonger and get some fresh fish.
Good morning.
I'm making a seafood stew. In Tuscany, we have something called cacciucco. It's literally like a medley of seafood. Do you have monkfish?
We do.
Oh my God, that's perfect. And if you don't find monkfish, I mean, you can kind of find a different white fish. I love halibut for this kind of preparation, for this dish, but you want something that's nice and firm. It's gonna cook for a little bit, and so you wanna make sure that the body stays kind of all in one. Calamari, body and tentacles, that's what you want. I'm doing some shrimp if you have them. I'm doing mussels. These are heavy. Beautiful, let's go. Of course, we got cozze right here, mussels. We have some calamari. Look how pretty this look. And then we got, oh yes, we got some shrimp right here. But then what I'm also very, very excited about, monkfish. Delicious fish, very sweet. I'm gonna cut it up. So just literally cut this in half. And then look, we're gonna do kind of cubes. We're gonna take some flour. We're gonna take our fish and we're gonna basically flour them up. You got the flour, a little bit of salt in here, good. Some oil. We're basically gonna sear this in the pot. There you go. Nice and gentle. Beautiful. All these elements have different cooking times, right? So the mussel literally take 2-3 minutes to be done, that's it. The monkfish is the longest, right? The shrimp is the second longest. Then you got the calamari, fairly quick, right? But not as quick as the mussel. So what we're doing here is that I'm actually gonna sear and cook things as I go, and then take them out of the pot, then do the next item, then take it out of the pot, and then put it all back together to cook and finish off. So look, nice sear, becomes nice and golden. Beautiful. This literally takes just a few minutes. I grew up in a family of sailors who would spend a lot of time in the summertime, sometimes 3 months, all on the coast of Italy, and especially in Tuscany. I would go between Tuscany and Sardinia a lot. And cacciucco, it's a dish that we would have every single week, if not multiple times a week. And it always tasted differently, right? Because it depends on what fish comes in and what the fishermen actually bring to shore. I don't want this to be cooked all the way through because I'm gonna incorporate this fish back into the soup and it finishes it up. I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, so next thing is shrimp. I'm gonna take some salt. Gorgeous. You see how fast this is? How do you know these are done cooking? You turn them around and look, boom, they're pink. Just 1 minute on this side. Grab a plate. Voila. Done with that. All right, what I got left here, the calamari and the cozze, right? These take very little time. These are gonna cook actually in the soup. We're gonna start the base of our soup. Onions, celery, and some garlic. So we're gonna take our celery, move into the pot. Oh, delicious. And then I'm gonna finish adding all these ingredients. So right here, I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. I'm gonna let this brown for a minute, minute and a half. And then I'm gonna do some wine in here. Wine. Gorgeous. We're gonna let this cook down a bit. While this is going, let's look at this. Cozze. How do you know that they are safe to eat or if they're fresh? Is that all of these are closed. You just don't wanna cook any dead mussel, right? Oh look, we got an open one. Now you see that? Now I don't know if this is alive or not. You're gonna take one other one and you're gonna hit it. And you're gonna see if it closes. Look, it closed. This is safe to eat. So these are all good. These are great. And then you got the calamari. And you have, of course, the body of the calamari right here. And then you have the tentacles, my favorite part. I'm just gonna do a little calamari ring moment. Done. So these are ready to go when I need them, okay? Now, the base of our cacciucco is going to be fish stock right here and some passata right here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the passata. Cacciucco is a tomato-based soup, believe it or not. We're not using too much of it. We're not making, pasta sauce, right? We're doing 2 cups of passata. I'm using 2 cups of fish stock. If you don't have a fish stock, you can use water or you can use a vegetable stock as well. At this point, I'm going to take some salt, fresh bay leaves, pepper. Gorgeous. Okay, so now it's about reincorporating back all these ingredients. I'm gonna start with the monkfish right here. So I'll take that delicious shrimp, calamari here. Lovely. Take that whole cotze thing and you just throw them in the pot. Gorgeous. Some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm gonna allow for the steam to open up the mussels. 3 minutes, and then we're gonna plate this little baby, all right? Just the sound of it, it's like perfect. Okay, let's go. Yes, yes, yes. That's what they want. That's what they want. The cotze, the mussels opened up, and all the juice from inside the cotze kind of went into the stew. Oh yes, look how gorgeous this looks. Looks beautiful. Oh my God, it smells, it smells so good. Boom. God. Some more of this, look. Ooh. Parsley, hand chopped. Here you go. Pepper. And then you finish this off with some really good extra virgin olive oil. Fantastic. The flavors that come out of this in such a short time, mostly just comforting. Amazing ingredients. You can make your own with whatever fish you find at the store. You know what I need with this? I need a nice little piece of bread. I need a fett'unta, all right? I'm gonna show you how to make that next. This is the original garlic bread. It's bread, it's olive oil, and it's garlic. That's it. It's not a joke. It's an actual dish. I'm telling you. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna slice the bread, good kind of bread. So get a sourdough, a filone di pane, seeded bread, whatever you like, but a good bread, okay? We're gonna just cut this in half, right? Boom. Boom. Gonna take some good EVO. We're gonna grill this. So if you have a grill, that's great. If not, you can use one just like that, just like mine. You want a griddle nice and hot. We want really the grill marks to transfer to the bread. Oh, here you go, perfect. Ready? Boom, look at that. That's what you want. I'm gonna take some more of that olive oil. I want literally this bread to be like a sponge. All right. Oh yeah, I mean, look at that. This is what you're looking for, right? Nice grill marks, it's smoking. Here you go. Grilled bread becomes fett'unta when you use fresh garlic. Because what we're gonna do here, we're gonna rub it. You're gonna take this and you're gonna rub it. You're gonna grate, basically, or rub the garlic on top of the bread. So the bread is still very hot. Oh yes, I can smell it from here. This is literally so good. This is the bread that we use, to really eat everything else. And now we're going to do a really good olive oil. Oh yes, here you go. And then we're gonna take our salt, flaky salt. The smell, the aroma, taste is so pungent, so peppery. This is the original garlic bread. Now this, together with the cacciucco soup, are we kidding? Who are we kidding here? Take some of this bread, dip it in there. This together, unbelievable. Leave a comment below, let me know how you like these dishes. I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Right now, just leave me by myself, okay? I need a moment with this. See you soon.